Come in. Hey. Hi. Don't be alarmed.
No.
Don't be scared.
Okay, okay.
No, I'm not scared. I'm freaked out. Are you me?
Yes, I'm you.
Yeah. Ah! I knew it. Get away. Go, get out. Go.
I should have seen that coming.
Why is me in the future there? How did I get there?
Sarah, you know the power of YouTube.
Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. YouTube has a lot of powers. Okay, I can wrap my head around that. I can't wrap my head around a time machine, but I can wrap my head around YouTube, yes.
Yeah, and somehow YouTube sent me here. So,
Okay, but why are you here?
I have an important message.
Okay. What's the message?
You need to get ready now.
And how far along in the future are you?
About 20 minutes.
20 minutes? Okay. That makes sense. Wait, that means I have to get ready. I just wanted to rest. I made a lot of videos this week. I'm new to editing.
Baby,
I don't know what
Sarah,
I'm
people
doing.
are
I'm
starving out there. Don't be a baby, Sarah.
Okay, fine. Wait, let me see your face one more time. I want to make sure I'm exactly...
Okay.
Okay. Good, got it? Alright, get ready. My gosh, that was freaky. Okay, so she had a red lip. Like blind eyes. I guess that's what I have to do. Alright, let me go to the bathroom and pop in my contact lenses. Okay, my eye, oh wait, this is still on. Let me take that off. My eyes are in. Man, I was just enjoying a lazy day today. I just wanted to relax, and then all this drama happened. I'm told that people who have drama in their lives are the kinds of people that attract drama. So, I'm trying to live my life not attracting drama anymore. I'm trying to keep to myself. Live like that because, honey, too much. Alright, I am just going to, from the look that she had, it doesn't look like she had a full foundation face. I don't like to wear full foundation face unless like I'm just breaking out and stuff. I just like to spot cover and then contour. You don't have to wear a full face of foundation, especially if your skin isn't that bad. Not that my skin's great. I think if you wear less foundation, you'll damage your skin less, you know, stuff like that. Just getting the spots where it's a little red. And again, I use my fingers. I dab them. Here. So this is me just having concealed some of my face, and I'm gonna do the top cheekbones right here. I only used concealer or stick foundation. I call it concealer, but it's not really. It's just a stick foundation. Let's contour. This is the base of my makeup always. Now I lost my blush. I haven't bought anyone yet. I'm gonna use a pink highlight just to blush me up. Just a tiny bit. And then of course I'm gonna go in with the highlight. And guys, I did a great thing. I dropped it and it cracked. They don't have highlight like this here. They don't. This is it. I need to make sure to take care of it. There we go. The dripping goddess. See that? Right here. The center. Right here. Right here. Oh?
Sarah, are you ready? You have to leave in 20 minutes to get to Seoul.
When? What? Where?
To Seoul.
Oh, yeah.
Hurry up.
Okay, go. 알았어. Dude! That's amazing. If I didn't come from the future to tell me this now, I'd be right here just looking through my Instagram. Bruh, the power of YouTube strikes. This is amazing. Okay, and I guess A red lip? I never do a red lip. I don't like to do a red lip, but I guess I'm doing one today. That was amazing. Life is just so weird sometimes. Like, freaks me out how amazing. Ugh. Alright, eyebrows. Now I'm gonna go in with like a burnt orange color. And then maybe like this rose, burnt orange and rose. Whoa! That's crazy looking. Holy crap. Let's just blend it. Okay, was I using some crazy this is some... She did have these eyes. Okay, okay, I thought I was... I guess I've never used this shade before. It's a very Korean look. They love this burnt orange look. I'm gonna go in with this shimmer. Always do the shimmer here. And then there was orange on the bottom. That orange is crazy. Again, this is the Dwayne Reed makeup if you remember my last video. And then let's do some eyeliner. And I always do like the bottom in powder because I have the kind of face that, eyes that gets watery, a hot mess. And here we go with the lip. Oh, mascara. Bruh. Mascara is my number one. Let me just do one poke. This is exactly what she looked like. Wow. Snatched. Let me take a selfie. Alright, I'm gonna get ready to go. But, whoa. 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 Whoa.